thank you that I'm allowed to be here and that it was possible to create this exhibition here, but it was not that I had chosen Maribor, it was that I was invited through Freda, I think, and through Alex. And they contacted me, and so and it was nearly 2 years ago, and we had a long time to talk, and they came several times to my art center in Germany, and then I had the idea that it would be wonderful that it's not me alone, that it's a kind of dialogue between younger artists and myself.